Hi viewers, my name is Spiro working as a .NET programmer in Spiro Solutions. Now I am going to explain my project. Let's see. Our title is Diversifying Web Service Recommendation Results. We are exploring service usage history. Here, based upon the usage history, we will recommend the web services. In abstract, in this paper we study about diversifying web service recommendations results. We are exploring service usage history. The last decade has witnessed a great growth of web service as a major technology of sharing data, computer resources and programs on the web. The increasing acceptance and attendance of web services, design of novel approaches for effective web service recommendation to satisfy users' potential requirements has become of paramount importance. Existing web service recommendation approaches mainly focuses on predicting missing quality of service values, that is QoS, of web service candidates, which are interesting to using collaborative filtering approach, content-based approach, or the hybrid. Let's see the difference between the existing and the proposed concept. In this existing system, web service recommendation approaches mainly focus on predicting missing quality of services of web service candidates, which are interesting to user using collaborative filtering approach, content-based approach, or the hybrid. Hybrid means combination of both the filtering and the content-based approach. In a proposed concept, in this paper we propose a novel web service recommendation approach incorporating a user's potential quality of services and diversity future of users' interest on web services. Users' interest and quality of service preferences on web services are first minded by exploring the web service usage history. Here we are using two algorithms. One algorithm, existing algorithm is collaborative filtering algorithm, and in a proposed algorithm we are using diversity based ranking algorithm. Algorithm definition is existing collaborative filtering algorithms can be divided into two types. One is memory based and another one is model based. Memory based methods are more popular in service recommendation, partially because they are more intuitive to interpret the recommendation results. Memory based collaborative filtering can be further divided into user based approach and item based approaches. In the algorithm definition for proposed systems, there are two popular techniques. The first one is based on a greedy vertex selection procedure, and the second one is based on a so-called vertex reinforced random walk. In particular, the greedy vertex selection procedure chooses a vertex with a maximum random walk based ranking score at one time, and then removes the selected vertex from the graph to get the top k ranking list. This process will repeat 10k times. Drawbacks: many similar or redundant web services may exist in the recommendation list. Here, in proposed advantages is rank the web service candidates based on the scores. Let's move on to the explanation part of the diagram. Here, while searching, we are getting a lot of web service list. In the web service list, web service recommendation with the diversifying will attach to web services. It will get the results from the result. After completing this process, we will get the results based upon the usage history here. Then it will move. It will show the users behavior. Let's move on to the hardware and software requirements. Software requirement: operating system Windows 8 and 8.1. On the front end, Microsoft Visual Studio, .NET 2013, coding language C#, back end SQL Server 2012. Hardware requirement is processor Pentium dual core 2.00 GHz, hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech, and RAM is 2 GB minimum, keyboard 110 keys enhanced. Let's move on to the technologies used in this concept. Here we are using ASP.NET to develop these projects, and store procedures to save the data in database, and we are doing three-tier architecture here. In our project, we are using ASP to design the front-end process. ASP contains HTML tag or XML that is used to design the view page easily. ASP.NET is a set of web development tools offered by Microsoft. In our project, user interface contains search engine and user and login. As we are already discussed about the store procedures and three-tier architecture. In three tier, it categorized into three types: presentation and business access. In the business access layer, we are define the methods, and the data access is used to retrieve the business results from the database. Okay, thank you.